our Christmas videos. Today I'm going to share some math DIY games for you. Okay, y'all, these are the math DIY. The first thing that I want to show you, these are one of my favorite things. This is just a simple cookie cutter. Sometimes I find these at the dollar store. Most of the time I have to go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's over in their baking section or their holiday section. They are always super cheap, especially after the holiday. I want to say I got these for like 20 cents or something crazy like that. I use 2 dice with this game because by then my kids are past 1 dice. These are the rubber dice that are much quieter than the plastic ones. And I have my students roll both of them. The idea of this is subitizing, so they don't sit there and count all of the dots. I want them to instantly recognize 2 and 1 is 3. And so they would play this with a partner, or if because of COVID they're doing it by themselves, you may only want 1 gingerbread man. And they would fill their gingerbread man. We use pom-pom balls, or as my kids call them, squishies. We use squishies for this. I put both sizes in here as a little bit of an added problem solving because you will have some kids that figure out I can fill mine up faster if I use the bigger pom-poms, which means obviously they would win before their friend. That's the objective of the game, is to try to fill yours up before your friend does. The next thing I want to show you is these from the Dollar Tree. I got these a couple of years ago. I believe they come in a pack of 10, so I spent $2 on this game. It goes from 1 to 20. They're just little craft mats. They're very flimsy, so hopefully they'll hold up for you depending on how rough your kids are with things. The craft store has the same shapes. They might be different colors. They are thicker, but they're more expensive. I've put numbers on them. I just used a index card and wrote with a Sharpie and then hot glued it on there, and I went from 1 to 20. You could use these as counting mats, or you could also use them, since I alternated from green to red, so all the odds are green, all the evens are red, they could put them in number order. And by having that pattern, it acts as a little bit of support for them. If they have 2 reds or 2 greens next to each other, they would obviously know something's wrong. These are also something that I buy. These are from Hobby Lobby. There's the tag. They're $3. I used a coupon unless they're already on sale. They're 2 a pack. These are much sturdier than the ones they have at the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these for crafts. I've done several things with them for DIY. You could do multiples of 10, multiples of 8. You know, you could do so many different things with math. You could do addition problems on here. You could make large counting mat, teen numbers, so many different things. The possibilities are endless. And these also cut very well. If you ever wanted to do a matching game, you can cut them down the middle or horizontally, and they will hold up really well. I've cut them many times and they do last. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment below. And stay tuned because our next video is going to be all about DIY games for language arts. I hope you enjoy. See you next time.